Okay.
I'm coming.
Thank you.
Come on, we gotta go. You don't live here. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
I'm coming.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Just making sure.
Sorry.
Other hand.
You came in here with a different shirt on, right?
Yeah. Because I have no clothes.
Were you in my store earlier today? Probably. You know if you were or not.
Yeah.
You did the same thing, right?
Yeah, because I don't really wait long.
Okay. So you just been in my store in and out all day stealing stuff? Earlier today and now. So are those the shorts you took too? Besides the tank top?
I just put it on over these clothes because I'm soaking wet.
So you put the tank top on and the shorts on?
880 Fox.
And whatever's in your bag plus this? Okay. So
You show me on a shoplifter in custody on 1015.
Oh, please. I'm sorry.
oh no, that's not how this works. You can have a seat.
Bougie. Okay, bitch. She said, babe. She said,
What? No.
No, you cannot use the restroom. Don't pee on my bench.
I won't.
Where you want to put all this stuff?
Is it in the bag? I take the bag with me.
Just take the stuff out of it. Or no,
Just the whole bag.
some of it's just the whole
Do you want to go
bag.
grab a blue basket?
Yeah, some of the probably stuff we all saw earlier anyway.
You just got one pair of shorts on or two?
One pair of shorts on.
Any day
The
you had
one-
a shirt in, you had a
think
shirt
it's fucking wet.
earlier today.
Why are your pants wet?
Look, I cleaned up in the hose.
You what?
I just cleaned up in the hose.
Okay.
At my friend's house.
Well, if you set out in the sun, it would have dried.
I know, but it's the only thing I have to wear.
What about the shirt you came into earlier? What is shirt?
It's wet.
Oh,
It's on. It's wet.
It's the pink one?
Yeah, it's wet.
So, you hear that, right, Arison? The admission of guilt for the pink one that she came in and stole earlier? So, Angela, she did have an admission of the pink shirt that she had on. We just heard you. That's the one that she took earlier. Two shorts. No, you cannot. You cannot. Why do you want to go to the bathroom? You have to go to the bathroom, get everything on you, and then why? Well, you didn't approve it. No, you cannot. Goddamn! So what are you gonna do with all this stuff? You just come in and rob Walmart thinking that it's no big deal?
No, I know it's a big deal, but I just don't have money. I know I can get paid for this stuff.
That's the problem with you guys that
I can
don't.
tell you who buys it all too if I can. Okay.
That's not how this works. That is dumb.
Let me tell you how this is going to work, okay? Officer Carmela's going to search you. She finds crack pipes all the damn time. Do you have anything illegal on you? Well, she's going to find it if you
I
do.
said I don't know where it is.
Okay, where is it?
I don't know. Look.
There's one on you?
I don't know.
You don't know if there's one on you?
Look. Last January I went to jail and I got introduction to contraband because I had a crack pipe underneath my titty and I didn't know it was there because my tits were big. No, I don't know. Is that a good enough answer?
No,
Well,
it's
it's too
actually a
bad.
terrible
That's
answer.
what you're gonna get.
I don't know why you're being mean. I'm just
Okay,
asking you.
these people.
Because I'm a bitch and I do my job and I stop and she's mad at
Because
me.
she doesn't know what the fuck people are going through in their personal lives.
Well, people can go through a lot, but you can't be stealing stuff, you know?
Oh, well,
Oh, well, this one's gonna keep happening.
you see why I got stuck in there?
You got a bunch of shirts on. Oh, well, this one's gonna keep happening.
Now you see why I got stuck in there?
I got you. You got a bunch of shirts on.
The situation turned even more serious when officers discovered she had hidden methamphetamine paraphernalia inside her bra.
Thank you.
Because I was freaking out.
oh, my son probably. I didn't I just started figuring it out, so I was outside the door, then I heard some don't touch the door, some big bullshit. Yeah, I just stayed.
They're usually just one, or you have multiple on you?
I don't know. Yes, I just said fucking I was in. I just stayed out the house. Yeah, it's still outside. Oh, he had a side.
Did you search her at all?
Nope.
Got shorts on under these ones too.
She's got 2 sets of shorts. Why don't we take off one of the shorts?
Oh, I'm not taking off her clothes. I'm just gonna search the pockets. And I don't think there actually is any. Not even in the spandex.
Do the black shorts still have the tag on?
Put those in the stores.
I think this one's this is expired.
Going where?
Let's get
What's that?
it.
Oh, okay. Is that the nose?
Okay, go ahead a bit, lean up against the wall for me, and then widen your stance a little bit more. There you go. Alrighty, she's good. Grab that side.
Raise your Miranda rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Read your Miranda rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. You cannot afford to hire a lawyer. Won't be appointed to represent. You decide any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statement. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? Yes or no? Yes? Having your rights in mind, do you want to talk to me now? Yes or no? No? Okay.
Wait, over my clothes.
I'm going to go throw this pipe in a bag real quick. I'll be right back. Ending video.
Linda Thompson was arrested on 2 charges: petty theft and possession of drug paraphernalia. The total value of stolen goods that day, including clothing, alcohol, and other items, was nearly $150. Records revealed this was the 7th time in just 5 years that Linda had been arrested for theft and drug-related crimes.
Wake up.
Come on.
Police.
Police.
Come on.
Police. Yeah, the police. You need rescue? What'd you take? Time to get up, dude. Let's go. Come on.
Come on. Come on. Time to go. Come on.
His nose is bleeding, or was bleeding. Yeah. Come on, we gotta go. You don't live here. Let's go. Get up. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Let's go. Get up.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Hey,
You gotta get up.
you can't stay here. Come
This
on.
isn't your house. Let's go.
Come on. Let's just
Come
go.
on.
It's easier.
Come on.
Come on.
Let's go. You hear me?
Hey, listen. You don't live here. You're not welcome here. Don't fight us. Let's go.
It's time to go. Come on.
Come on.
Put your feet down. Put your feet down. Put your feet down. Put your feet down.
What's going on here?
What's the deal, dude?
Can you put your legs out?
Talk. Use your words. Come on. Come on. Talk.
Come on.
Get up. Yeah, you did. You don't live here. Okay, you don't get to lay down. Come on.
There we go. Come on.
Let's go.
Stand up. There we go. Stand up.
There you go.
There we go. Let go. Come on. Let go of your hands.
Come on.
There we go. Come on.
All right, come on.
There we go. Just take a deep breath.
Relax. Alright, walk out. Step. There you go. Good job. There you go. Good job. Do you need rescue? Huh? Go over here. We're gonna go to this car.
The homeowner revealed this wasn't the first time Hustelo had shown up. She tried to wake him and asked him to leave, but he resisted. He even damaged the screen door to get inside and brazenly fell asleep on the sofa.
Alright. Have a seat. What's your name?
Taylor?
Taylor?
Yeah.
Taylor what?
Robert?
Taylor Robert?
Yeah.
Robert's your last name?
Yeah. Middle name.
Your middle name? What's your last name, Taylor?
Hustelo.
What is it?
Hustelo.
Hustelo?
Yeah.
What happened with all this?
I just woke up, had my morning coffee. I have some outdoor cats, so I came out and checked the weather because I bike ride in the morning, and I saw this guy sleeping there, and I started going, hey, hey, hey. So I went inside and got my rope, and then he was very strong, and he was resisting, and he pulled my arm, and I said, Jeannie, I saw Jeannie. I said, can you come and help me? Because I saw him walking sort of with her yesterday.
You said he pulled your arm?
Yeah, he was resisting. He was like trying to get my arm off him.
When you were grabbing at him?
Yeah, I was trying to say, hey, first I asked him to leave, and I kept saying, you have to leave, and he wouldn't leave. He just huddled, and then he resisted. And so when I picked him up, I'm pretty strong. And,
Yeah.
I picked him up and I got him on the floor and I had to push him, but he sort of grabbed my arm and pulled my arm. So I felt like it's nothing terrible. I don't need to go to the hospital. But
is it injured at all? Like
no,
like
other than a
visible?
full muscle, pull, just a mild muscle. So I pushed him, and Jeannie came over and she helped me, and we pushed him out. And we said, you have to leave, you can't stay here. So he got outside, and then I locked the door because I usually lock it because I had this problem once before. And then I just went to get my coffee. I came back out. He broke the screen door. He was back in on my side. So I thought I have to call the police because he's not going to. And then I left the door open, and he just curled up under the blanket. I was going to get him he just seemed cold and he didn't want to leave. And there's all his stuff, I guess.
This is all his stuff?
Yeah. He left it there. He was in her house too this morning. Her stuff was all broken.
Skylar.
So that was pretty simple, but.
Do you want to prosecute? Go to court? Have him arrest all that?
Well, if I don't, I'm afraid he'll come back. He'll just think he can come back.
Right.
And I don't know how you make him leave if you don't arrest. You tell him just move along, don't bother.
Well, I mean, like, he clearly needs medical attention, but I can't tell you what you can. It's totally up to you whether you want to prosecute.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Because when he broke through my door,
Yeah, let's go over here and look at that stuff really quick. You said you had just gotten.
That's the kids come around and they would ring my doorbells, and he just pushed it. And I just had someone replace it because it was torn here because the people or the kids were breaking in, so I put new screen, and now my doorbell.
How much did it cost to get it fixed the first time?
Oh, about $100, and then the doorbell's remote, maybe 50.
Did you see him break the doorbell or know anything about the doorbell?
No, but the doorbell was there yesterday, so
Okay.
I just knocked it off. I don't know. We tried to push him out, and then I noticed my doorbell's down.
So let me just run this by you. You come outside, you see him, you're like, hey man, like, you gotta get out of here.
Right.
Wake.
And he's non-responsive.
So you pull him to the.
I'm like, come on. Keep
Yep.
asleep. And
Pull him onto the.
And then he sort of tried to get my arm off of him, and then I got him on the ground, and then I used my knee, and I said, Jeannie, can you help me?
Yeah, she came over
So
and
we
helped.
said, come on, you gotta go, just go. I closed the door,
Yep.
left, and came back, and he was right back in.
Yeah, and this. Okay.
So, all right.
I'm gonna come back at some point and take pictures of the. I'm gonna figure out what's all going on with and try to figure all that out. But I'll get you a report number and a little booklet with your rights. Okay? Alrighty.
How many years do you think he should serve in prison? Share your opinion in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss the next thrilling and dramatic true crime story.